In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how you can view your order history on the KuCoin app. So make sure you stick around until the end so you know exactly what to do. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to start off by opening up my KuCoin account here. Actually, let me X out of all of this. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to start by opening up my KuCoin account here. And from your main page dashboard on the mobile app, you're going to go to trade on the bottom. And that's that icon in the middle. Now, if you see on the bottom right-hand side, there's a little square icon. You're just gonna click on that next to open orders. Once you click on that, you can see that on the top, you'll see options for open orders, stop orders, and your order history. And the order history tab is gonna be all the way on the far right. And that's literally it. You can view your whole order history right here. And then you can also click filter up top and you can filter by which specific coin you'd like to see your order history for. And then you just hit confirm and then it'll filter for just those coins. And there you have it. That's how you view your order history in KuCoin. Now, if you got any value from this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you're notified anytime I upload similar videos. Now, if you're interested in learning more about crypto, then I highly suggest you check out this video next. I'll catch you in the next video.